Are we gonna be respectful now?
Pour the tea.
So place the knees down and the elbows lower all the way to the back. Let's try the crescent lunge roll again. Front back up, spread your fingers wide.
Try this a little more. A little bit of salt.
New segment on the channel, right, Dylan? What is it called?
Take time.
So we're just gonna be doing that once a month. Leave topics down below. Basically, I'm gonna be talking to a friend or someone, a family member. Public service announcement, I am now doing vlogs every Tuesday instead of every Thursday. So catch Sophia's tea every Tuesday. That's the update for 2021. I'll let you know if there's any more.
Oh my god. Oh, that card looks so... Oh. 23!
You guys, we're cleaning up my desk today because I got a new desk. I bought 2 Alex drawers from Ikea and a tabletop, so I'm gonna go switch out this desk because it's not it. It's just not it. As you can see, this space, like because of this drawer, I don't have that much writing space, so I basically bought 2 Alex drawers. I'm gonna have it here on the sides, and then I just bought a tabletop with the same color. So I'm gonna go ahead and build that right now. Okay, what's up guys? So the desk is gone now. So I am going to be bringing in the 2 Alex drawers that I have to assemble with the tabletop. So now you're just gonna see me do that. Everything is on my bed and on the floor. So I'm just gonna go start assembling. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Marjude has joined us.
She's giving me one of these.
No.
I can help her out.
No.
So excited.
No. But so far I've done this, like you saw on the time lapse. I just have to add the drawers, and then we have one more Alex drawer after, right, Margie?
Who's Alex?
Stop it. Oh my god, it's so big, but it looks so good. And here are the drawers, is what it looks like. So basically, this is just the Linman black and brown tabletop from Ikea, and these are the 2 Alex drawers. I feel like the plant is a good spot there, but what I like the most is that under, since the drawers are shorter, I have this open space here just under my table, so I could just put the cords on top, and then I can just put this is like acts as my nightstand as well. So yeah, now I just have to put everything back on this. Finish the top. This is not what I have planned, but this is what I have so far. I'm gonna get a little computer stand, but so far it looks pretty good. However, I will not lie to you guys, the inside is a little rough. I need to get some like dividers. So that is what I have so far. It is currently 9:47, so it has been about 3 hours or something.
Yeah, I was like, are you gonna...
They can probably hear me from there though. Hey guys, what's up? 2.
Take 2.
Just doesn't speak.
3 that shit. And take 3.
I finally got my Secret Santa gift almost a month later, but it's okay. My Secret Santa was, can I have a drum roll please? Oh, Josh is here. Nika! Ah! I'm just gonna unbox this and see what I got. I have to.
Okay. You see?
So the first thing I have here is, Ooh, it's a necklace. Oh, it's the 1998 necklace. You show the camera like with your hair. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just like one of those things that like you want, but you're not gonna buy it yourself. What is this? Can you pull it? I'm kind of scared though. Okay, here's the big reveal. Oh, it's a laptop desk.
Wait, that matches your desk.
I know. The last thing I have is a milk frother. Is it a milk frother? Oh my gosh, this is also something I wanted but would not buy myself. So, yes, I'm very excited for this. So, oh, and it comes with a stand. Ooh, and it's just black. So it has this little stand, and then that's the frother. Thank you so much, Nika. Illy, brother. Oh my god, my eyes look a little bald. Ooh, perfect timing. I went to Ulta and I got an Amazon package, so we're opening that up. And look what else we got. The Gold Truly iced tea packs. So we'll be trying that on camera, I guess. Okay, but we'll just start off with Amazon. We got this foldable aluminum stand, which is basically just like an iPhone stand. Okay, well this is what it looks like when you open the package, and then you can just adjust it as so. So there you go, that's where your phone sits. I wish I had an example. It's very adjustable, so whatever you prefer, and then that's where you would charge your phone, which is perfect. Moving on to Ulta. I don't know if anyone cares, but I used to use Anastasia Dip Brow, the GOAT, but I already have really thick brows, as you can see, like there's nothing on my brows. I decided to use the powder instead to go. Marjude, what was that came out of your mouth? Why did it sound like that? Oh my god. So I'm trying out the brow powder, so it's more of a subtle look. You can see my ring light, but yeah, I got the chocolate brow powder one. And it comes with a little mirror, so there you are. It's Inception. But yeah, to go with that, because my dip brow brush is nasty, I got a new angled brow brush, which can also be a liner brush, because it was only $4. So it's just this one. I forgot what. Oh, it's the Morphe M165. Oh my gosh, I'm a makeup guru. And then the last thing I got, shout out to TikTok, is this Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. But this is the packaging. It's pretty cute. It just says Bad Gal Bang. And then it has like a studded cap. Hey guys, we're gonna be trying the Ew! Truly iced teas. Ah! Yes, so we're gonna be trying just one flavor right now, because you know, I mean, are we gonna try all of them? They're gonna go bad. I picked a flavor, so they're just gonna guess, but it's also just gonna be a little taste test. ASMR, like that. Okay, so this is the flavor that we have here.
Or stuff you might have to do.
Oh,
I can do it. All right.
Are we doing this already?
Over here.
Are you ready?
No, I can open it.
Oh, okay, Justin.
You're welcome.
I'm getting tingles.
Oh.
Ready? Oh, Marjude's ready. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, ready, go.
Cheers.
What?
This is all the same flavor? Mm-hmm. Watermelon.
Oh, strawberry.
Sam.
Is strawberry one? No.
So it's peach?
It kind of tastes like a mini Four Loko.
No, I think it's watermelon. 2, 3, open.
Watermelon isn't even an option.
Oh, fuck. Strawberry? Oh, I didn't
Oh,
know.
I was.
You said
Literally
strawberry.
said-
So what would you guys rate that one?
I like strawberry.
Haven't tried the other ones, but this is my least favorite. I also think the gold color still gives me the
For local vibes.
Maybe 5.
Oh. I kind of like it. Maybe a 5.
Well, I don't know what to compare it to. Can I change it later?
No.
Okay. It wasn't that bad. Okay, maybe 6.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
It's like fading in and out. Oh, sorry.
How about you?
Oh.
I think I'm gonna give it like a 4.
That's so low.
I didn't like it.
I'm probably gonna give it like a 7.5. Okay, here's the next one. Thank you. Hold them right now?
No.
So now Sam is going to be giving us the drink of choice. I don't like when my eyes are closed. Okay, can I open it? Why are you guys so loud?
Ready? Marjude, can you not do it again?
What happened?
Oh, I like this one better.
Yeah, I'll taste the same.
I think I know what it is.
Everyone but Sophia, guess.
At the same time?
No.
It tastes like lemonade.
That's
I was gonna
exactly
say
what I was
lemon
gonna
too.
say.
Yeah.
Lemon tea.
Because it's like lemon iced tea.
Ready? Go.
No.
It's so good.
It's a good
It
one.
just tastes like tea. It doesn't.
Wait, let me start.
Wait, no, we're doing.
Why are you yelling? I'd give that one like a 9.5.
I'll give it a 9.
I'm definitely gonna have to give this one a 10. It's really, really good. I really like it. I will also give it a 9.
You're yelling.
It's a 9 for me, thank you.
So there's 2 more flavors left. And the flavors are raspberry and peach. So let's see which one's next. It's time to close our eyes once again. We are getting one of the last 2 flavors of the Truly iced teas, which is either raspberry or peach. Oh, thank you.
Again?
Oh, as soon as it like touched my lip, I was like,
For sure, raspberry.
raspberry.
It's time to rate it. I personally don't like raspberry flavors, but I'll give this one like a 6.5.
I personally don't like this one, but I think it's a little bit better than the strawberry, so I'm gonna give it an 8.
Honestly, guys, I thought that this was better than the strawberry one. I really, really like this one. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Hello everyone. I think I rate it a 3. It's not really that good. I don't know. I didn't like it. Kind of wanted to make me throw up for some reason. Goodbye. Peace out, New York.
Oh.
New York.
I personally give this a 2 because it tastes like medicine, so. Boo.
Okay, thank you. So next we're gonna try the peach, which is the only one left, which is might
You
be
like it?
the best one. I'm not sure, but I feel like it might be the best one.
Everything.
I kind of don't like it.
It's honestly not that bad. They don't like it, but I feel like I enjoy it because it tastes like those peach rings.
I couldn't use my other hand. Why'd you ask them to hold it?
I don't know.
Or like put it on the table.
Oh, I like it.
Tried it, right?
No, dude, that first.
Let's try to make it sound. I kind of like it. I like it more than the raspberry.
I don't know. It just really tastes like peach Amsterdam to me. Maybe like a 7.
I don't know if I like this more than the strawberry, but I usually like peach and I really don't like this one for some reason. So I think I'm gonna rate this one a 6.
I give it 11 out of 10.
I would like to rate this an 8.
Well, I'm gonna give it a 5.
Oh. She said.
Oh, I'm gonna give it. You said you liked it.
Yeah, really? Confused.
What, you rated everything
The
out.
more I drink it, the more I'm like, I'm not digging it. So that concludes
My
our
order?
ASMR Truly iced tea taste test. So, thank you. My favorite was the lemon.
Lemon.
I like the peach one.
Lemon.
Best. Worst.
Lemon. Worst.
But-
My least favorite was definitely the raspberry, but I just don't like raspberry in general.
I don't know if it's because I'm already drunk and I like peach.
No, it tastes like peach Amsterdam.
I think to me it tastes like
peach rings.
Yeah, dude. I was like, I could drink this all day.
That's why.
I like peach rings. I don't like this.
My least favorite was the
whoa,
strawberry.
whoa,
It
whoa,
tasted
just
straight up
yell-
like a Four
whoa,
Loko.
whoa, why are you yelling?
Not about
It just tastes like water.
No.
It tastes like watermelon.
My least favorite is raspberry. Thank you.
Strawberry.
Okay, we're gonna finish the night off playing some. These cards will
Scrabble.
get you drunk. No, but yeah, thank you.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to my house. We're having lunch today.
Are we doing audio?
Never mind.
Having such a good time. I don't like that. Oh! No. How is it not singing? Oh. How did it get to me? Oh, come on!
Already like in there.
I know.
You can literally see it going down the side right now. Wait, don't touch anything.
Oh,
No, he didn't. No,
I didn't
he
do
didn't
it.
touch anything.
cheers!